Okay, hey everyone, this is John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com, and in this video we're going to talk about the major news announcements that are coming out this week, and we're going to be seeing what the Dow Jones Industrial Average, i.e. the US market, is doing as well. Okay, so before we actually get into that, let's actually talk about something that's coming up. We are running a 2-hour training event where I'm going to share with you the details and steps to trading 2 unique trading systems that will give you the advantage on most traders out there. Okay, so click on that link below. See that link right there? That link right there is just below this video. Make sure you click on that link after you've watched this free education I'm about to give you. Okay, so make sure you check that out. Now let's actually get into this now, and we're going to talk about, first we're going to talk about is the calendar. Okay, so the major news announcements that are coming out this week, and something to be careful of. As you know, Monday, September the 3rd is a Labor holiday in the US. Come back Tuesday, we'll probably have a slow Tuesday because it is a long weekend in the United States. But then moving on through to Wednesday, not much happening on Wednesday. We have the Bank of Canada announcement through here, but not really a big announcement coming out through there. Looking on through to Thursday is the 6th of September. We see that we have the BOE announcement there. We have the jobless claims here. This jobless claim is probably going to be the biggest one that's going to rock the market a bit. But apart from that, there's nothing there. Now the big one's going to be is the employment situation down here. Okay, that's the one that's obviously everyone's going to be talking about. Now, I'm not a fundamentalist. I always read charts. That's my thing. That's my forte. But all I do say is we all know that the job situation around the world, not just in the United States, but around the world, is actually not good at the moment. So I don't expect a good announcement coming out of that. Okay. So let's actually look at the charts now. Let's have a look at what's actually going on with the market. Now what we're looking at here now is we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average chart. Looking at daily charts, let's actually flick it over to a weekly chart. Now one thing we can see here when we're looking at a weekly chart is we can see the market's continually, and has been for a while, been in an upward move for quite some time. Okay, you can see that there. So you can see this here, it's been a nice big upward move. And you can see this nice big upward channel that the Dow Jones has been in for quite some time, up through here. And you can see that that sort of move up through there has been bouncing up through here. It came down recently and rejected up through there, and now it's coming back up to the top up here. Now if you see, it's something that's interesting now is that if we draw a line from here to here, if we draw a line from there to there, and we just extend that out, we can actually see that we are at the major highs. Let me just draw up through there. We are at the major highs higher. We are higher now than we were in 2008. So we've actually retraced more than 2008 has gave us through the global financial crisis. We retraced a lot more than that, and now this market's continuing to stair step higher. We are making what we call a bit of a double top right now, where we are right now. But all I do say is, by looking at this double top, and by looking at this movement through here, it does look like it's definitely rejecting it once, twice, three. So that level through there, you can see it to the top left up there, that probably around about that level there, which is around about the 13,250 level. That's around about the level that's been struggling at. Interesting thing to look out for is you can notice the stochastics are definitely oversold right now, or overbought right now, and we are getting a massive pin where we are right now, and we're starting to get a bit of a turn as well too. So that's something to keep an eye out for. So that's on the weekly chart. Now let's move in on a bit more of a closer basis. Let's see what's happening here. So we're going to squeeze it a bit more, and we're going to flick it over to a daily chart. Now what we can see here on a daily chart basis, let me squeeze this back up a bit more, is this. We can actually see that we have let me get my drawing tools out here. We actually have a support line. Okay, you can see that we actually have a major support line going through here. So resistance came down, hit support. So that's one. What we also have is we also have a major trend line. If we draw a trend line up from here to here, so we connect it up from there to there, and we can see that we have a touch there, a touch there, a touch there. The market's actually bouncing off that right now. Okay, so for the short term, the market actually came down to a support line with the stochastics almost in the oversold section. So that's actually quite bullish. So we may getting ready for the next week to move back to the high side and breaking out. If we do hold here and move to the high side and get to the top here, then we should see a nice move back to the high side, okay, bouncing off this support level through there. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little market update there. Again, this is just a quick little update, but if you want 2 full hours, okay guys, 2 full hours of listening and learning some amazing strategies, literally some amazing strategies, they're unique strategies that not many people know, that's going to give you the advantage out there, then make sure you click that link below. You see that link on the screen right now? That's the link below this video you should be clicking on, and when you click on that video, when you click on that link, it's going to go to another page where it's going to show you more. It's going to basically play a short little video explaining what the event is all about, okay? So click on that link below right now, and I'll see you on the next page. And no matter what happens, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and that is, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.